What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to showcase this beautiful, luscious, voluminous curly wig from UNice Hair. This is a 7x7 lace closure, looking all natural, like it's straight out of my scalp. And all I just did was unbox this wig and pop it right up. Literally took me 15 seconds to install this hair. So as I mentioned, this wig is from UNice Hair, and I have been seeing this wig all over my For You page, and I just had to add to cart. So here is your sign, guys. If you've been seeing this on your For You page, quickly go add to cart right now. Okay, so this wig actually came with an extra wig, which actually shocked me because I wasn't expecting that. I was like, what? I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox, and I'll test it on later on, so stay tuned for that towards the end of the video. But yeah, I was just checking it out, unboxing it, and yeah, so the hair came with a comb and a strap which has a UNice logo on it, and always a wig cap. And here is the beautiful wig we're about to showcase for today, guys. I have been seeing this wig all over my For You page. If you've been seeing this on your For You page too, like this video. Here is your sign. Go pick it up right now. It's absolutely worth it for like everyday voluminous curly. It's a different kind of curly pattern, which I also like as well, because it makes it look like more of a realistic natural hair. And it comes with a grip band at the edge of the lace with the comb at the back, and the lace is a 7x7 with a transparent frontal, looking all natural. Like, yeah, you don't need to do much. Look at how that melted down to my skin. So yes, we're just gonna go ahead and pop it right up, guys. This is everything pre-bleached, pre-styled. I don't even need to cut the lace. All I just have to do is apply a little bit of a bronzing powder so it can match perfectly to my skin. And as you guys can see, while I'm applying this powder, is blending in perfectly, which I absolutely love. This is a minimum effort wig. This is my actual first minimum effort wig that I actually ever owned. And yeah, if you're like a minimalist and don't know much about doing your own hair, this wig is absolutely for you. Again, it's not a full 13x4 or 13x6 closure. It's a 7x7, so it doesn't go down your entire ear to ear. But just add some powder and mousse to melt it down, and just style it the way you would like it to be looking all natural on your head. Do you guys see how natural this looks? Like, this is like the easiest quick and go wig that I've owned. Like, I can't say this enough. Literally. But yeah, and that's it, guys. I am literally done. I'm literally done, like crazy. So yes, let's go ahead and style up the second wig that I got. You know, I was really shocked, and I can't believe this wig turned out looking like something I cannot wait to try and style up. To be honest to you guys, it's giving everyday, you know, working lady, beautiful short hairstyle. But yeah, that'll be all for my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and follow, and subscribe, and all that goodie.